ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्वशाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 142। दी जप मंत्र असतोमा सद्गमय तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतम गमय. This is what we are seeing. असतोमा सद्गमय. Asato. What is the vibhakti and vachanam? पंचमी एक वचनम. तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय. तमसो इज पंचमी एक वचनम. मृत्योर्मा अमृतम गमय. मृत्यो इज ऑल्सो मृत्यो इज पंचमी एक वचनम. फ्रॉम असत. गमय. गमय शब्द गम धातु. देन णिजंत इज देयर. कर्तरिणिच. and then लोट लकार मध्यम पुरुष एक वचन. So gamaya means you take me. Gamaya, another rupa will be gamayatat. Gamaya gamayatat. Here gamaya is given. Gamayatat, which adesh is there? No, lot lakar adesh gamayatat. Tatang adesh. We just saw in couple of mantras back, right? Tuhyos tatanga shishi anyatarasyam. Tuhyos tatanga shishi anyatarasyam. So tatang adesh is there. Tu and he. Tu for tu and he. So tu tata will come, he also. Okay, let us see the टीका now. वन 142 टीका. अथातः पवमानानाम् इत्यादि वाक्यम अवतारयति. पवमानानाम् इत्यादि वाक्यम अवतारयति. एवं. So pavamana athatah is given in the mantra. Athatah pavamananam, that vakyam avatarayati. Evam prana vijnanavato japa karma viditsyate. Prana vijnanavato. Prana vijnatavatah and prana vijnanavatah. If prana vijnanavata shabda is there, prana means prana, hiranya. Vijnana means upasana. Vijnanavatah, then pratyaya will be matu pratyaya. Vijnatavatah, if it is there, then pratyaya will be tavatu. Vijnatavatah, if it is there, then tavatu pratyaya. Japa karma vidhanam is done. So this asatoma sadgamaya is a japa karma. You have to do japa. यद विज्ञानवतो टीका तत्र अथ शब्दं व्याचष्टे यद विज्ञानवतो जप कर्मणि अधिकारस् तद विज्ञानम् उक्तम् who has the adhikara in japa karma, that adhikara is said. Adhikara means who is qualified to do this japa karma. That is being said now. That vijnanam means that upasana is said now. Ataha shabdartham aha. So before that in bhashya, atha means anantaram. Yasmat cha evam vidusha prayujyamanam eva bhava abhyaroha phalam japa karma. Athatah is given in the mantra. Athatah. So atha means anantaram. After something. After what? Yasmacha evam vidusha prayujyamanam. By a person who has this knowledge, practiced by that person. Prayujyamanam means implemented by such person. What is he going to do? Japa karma. And what is going to be his result? Deva bhava abhyaroha phalam. He is actually going to become devata. Abhyaroha phalam. 6 number tippani. Abhyaroha phalam iti. Abhi means abhimukhyena tadatmyena deva bhava aroha phalakam. Tat prapti phalakam ityartha. Deva bhava prapti. Basically, he will become devata. Who does this japa karma? Atas tasmat tad vidiyate. And ataha is tasmat. Therefore, this vidhanam is done. Vidiyate iha here. Iha iti pranavit ukti. Iha means for the person who knows prana, who does prana upasana, that person, if he does this japa, so person who has samashti bhava and is also doing japa will become devata. Kada tarhi japa karma kartavyam tatra. When this japa karma should be done, that is said. Tasya cha udgitha sambandhat sarvatra praptau pavamananam iti vachanat. Because during the entire pavamana, this ritual where the recitation is done, sarvatra prapta, it is available all the time. Udgitha sambandha is there all the time. So anytime that japa can be done, so it is said no, anytime you don't do, there is a particular time during that will be said. Pavamanesh tika. Udgithena atyayama tvam na udgayeti cha prakaranat. Udgithena sambandhat japasya sarvatra udgana kale praptau. Udgithena atyayama tvam. Na means naha, udgaya. Through udgitha, this is available and you have to do recitation for us. Somebody is telling prana, some devata. Iti cha prakaranat udgithena sambandhat, which has udgitha sambandha, japa is available all the time. Sarvatra udgana kale praptau. Japa can be done anytime during that. So now kala niyama is done. No, don't do any time during the japa, only at some time. Pavamananam eva iti vachanat kala niyama siddhi. Only during the first three pavamana. Then the rest 9, that time you don't do this japa. See in the bhashya it is given. Pavamaneshu trishu api kartavyatayam praptayam punaha kala sankocham karoti. In the first 3 stotrams of this pavamana, only at that time you do this japa. asatoma satgamaya, etc. During the ritual, see, if somebody wants to become devata, then they have all these niyama, because it is sakama karma. When the Udgita is going on, first three Pavamana is going on, then you do this. But if somebody says, I am doing it for Chitta Shuddhi, Nishkama Karma, you can do it anytime. Then you don't need that specific time. Because my result is not Devatatva Prapti, my result is Chitta Shuddhi. Savai Khalu Prastota. So Savai Khalu ityadi Vakya. Savai Khalu Prastota Sama Prastauti. This Prastota is doing Sama Prastava, means Arambha. Prastava means Arambha, he begins. Saprastota yatra yasmin kale Sama Prastuyat Prarabheta. Prarabhet nahi, Prarabheta. Halant is not needed. Saprastota yatra yasmin kale Sama Prastuyat. This Prastota at whichever time, when he does this Sama Prastuti, Prarabheta, Tasmin kale tani jape. At that time you have to do japa. Only that much time is there. It could be long. Jape, so that halan. Vidiling is there, jape. अस्य च जपकर्मणः आख्या अभ्यारोह इति. This japakarmana akhya is abhyaroha. Abhyaroha, so the dhatu is ruha. Like yesterday in Mandukya, this Mangalacharanam, one shabda came, Sarasi ruha. Sarasi means lake. Sarasi rohati iti Sarasi ruha. Ruha becomes roha. Who will become O. Guna prapti will happen. What is the sutra? Like Guru Shabda is there. Guru Shabda Panchami. What will be Panchami Bhakti? Guru. Uganta Laghu Padasya cha. This is the sutra. Abhyaroha. So Japa Karma's another name is Abhyaroha. Japa Karmanaha Akhya Abhyaroha iti. Japa Karma's another name is Abhyaroha. Because there is Arohanam. You are climbing up. You are going up. Abhimukhye, before that, tika. Nanu kartavyattvena abhyaroha shruyate. Japa karma viditsitam iti cha uchyate. King kena sangatam iti ashankya. On one hand, you are saying, I have to do abhyaroha. And also you are doing vidhanam of japa karma. So should I do abhyaroha or japa karma? So what is the answer? Japa karma is called abhyaroha. It is same thing. Asya cha abhyaroha shabdasya na tatra rudhir vruddha prayoga bhavat iti ashankya. Somebody says abhyaroha doesn't mean japa karma. This asatoma satgamaya, this is not the meaning, because there is no vruddha prayoga. Vruddha prayoga means no, previous acharyas have not used in this way. Iti ashankya. Abhimukhyena arohati. अनेन जपकर्मणा एवं वित् देवभावम् आत्मानम् इति अभ्यारोहः. So etymology is given now. Abhimukhyena arohati. This much is enough actually. Then some explanation is given. Abhimukhena arohati iti abhyaroha. Anena japakarmana evam vid. The one who does this upasana through this japakarma will attain deva bhavam, atmanam. So he will attain deva. That is why it is called abhyaroha. Okay. Now a question is raised. What is the question? This asatoma sadgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya tamasoma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Are they all part of one mantra or two mantras or three mantras or more mantras? Yajur mantranam aniyata padaksharatvat asatoma sadgamaya ityarabhya ko इत्यारभ्य एको वा द्वौ वा मंत्रा वित्याशंक आह. यजुर्वेद mantras, they have aniyata pada akshara. They don't have niyata pada or niyata akshara. Means they are not restricted to have the same number of letters in each pada, each quarter, or number of padas are also need not be same all the time. That can vary in Yajurveda. This is Shukla Yajurveda. So this is Yajur mantra. So Asatoma Sadgamaya is one mantra, means that whole thing is one mantra, two or more. Iti Ashankyaha, Bhashyakar says, Etani iti Bahuvachanat Trini Yajumshi. There are three Yajurveda mantras. Asatoma Sadgamaya is one, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya is second, Mrityorma Amrutam Gamaya is third. Etani, where is this given? In the mantra. See, Etani is given in the mantra itself. Etani japet. Asatoma sadgamaya. टीका. यदि अमी याजुषा मंत्रास तर्हि मांत्रेण स्वरेण वैभाषिक ग्रंथोक्तेन भाव्यम इति आशंक्य आह. यदि अमी means these bahuvachanam, plural. Etani also is bahuvachanam, so three are there. Yajusha mantraha, these mantras belonging to Yajurveda. Tarhi mantrena swarena, by the mantra swara, vaibhashika granthoktena. Vaibhashika is their grantha name. Etan namaka grantha. Vaibhashika is the name of the grantha. Granthoktena bhavyam iti ashankya. So see the vakya. Mantrena swarena bhavyam. Mantrena swarena bhavyam means mantra swaro bhavet. When they use such kind of usage, swarena bhavyam means swaro bhavet. In this way you should understand. There is a sutra on that also. Iti ashankyaha द्वितीया निर्देशात ब्राह्मणों उत्पन्नत्वाच्च यथा पठित एव स्वरः प्रयोक्तव्यो न mantrah. The swaras which are there in the mantra, that you should not take. Whatever is given in the Brahmana Bhaga, that you take for this recitation. द्वितीया निर्देश इज वेयर एतानी इज द्वितीय बहुवचन. So द्वितीय विभक्ति is there. यत्र स्वरो विवक्षितः तत्र तृतीया निर्देशो दृश्यते. Now see the यत्र स्वरो विवक्षितः तत्र तृतीया निर्दिश्यते. How? उच्चैर ऋचा क्रियते. in टीका उच्चैर ऋचा क्रियते. उच्चैः साम्ना उपांशु यजुषा. ऋग्वेद mantras you have to chant उच्चैः loudly. Loudly means with the uccha swara. The pitch has to be higher. Uccaihi samnaha. Samna also uccaihi. And Yajurveda upamshu. Lower. Iti. Prakrite tu dvitiya nirdesha japa karma matram pratiyate. Mantrastu swaro na pratibhati ityartha. Prakrite tu. But here dvitiya nirdesha, dvitiya vibhakti is there. Japa karma matram is given. The mantra swaras, they are not to be considered. So there is some niyama that swara should be included in this japa or not. So here mantra swaro na pratibhati ityartha. Then kena tarhi swarena prayoge mantranam iti chet, then which swara I should take? The brahmana swara. Brahmana iti. Bhavatu shatpathena swarena mantranam prayogas tathapi किम आर्त्विज्यम किम वा याजमानम जप कर्म इति भिक्षायाम आह याजमानम. In Shatapatha Brahmana also it is there. Shatapathena swarena mantranam prayogah bhavatu. Tathapi kim artvidyam kim va yajmanam. So let us say these swaras are taken from Brahmana Shatapatha. Shatapathena swarena. Now the question is, who will get the result? Ritvik, Artvidyam, Kimva Yajmanam. No, who will do the japa? Japa karma, who will do? Ritvik will do or Yajamana has to? Because sometimes Yajamana can appoint the Ritvik, and this person will do. But here, Yajamanam, japa karma. See in Bhashya, Yajmanam japa karma. Japa karma has to be done by Yajmana only. So Yajmana is the karta. Yajmana kartakam. Vyachik tika. Vyachikhyasita yajusham swarupam darshayati. Now mantras are analyzed. So basic meaning I already told you in the last session. Asatoma sadgamaya means actually it is mrutyorma amritam gamaya. Tamasoma jyotirgamaya means mrutyorma amritam gamaya. And mrutyorma amritam gamaya is mrutyorma amritam gamaya. And what is mrityu? Ashastriya karma upasana is mrityu. Living a life not based on scriptural injunctions is mrityu, is death, because you will not reach anywhere. You are not making use of this human birth. If you do shastriya karma, you are actually going to grow. Punya you will accumulate and you will have purity of mind, which will lead to spiritual knowledge for liberation. So what is prohibited by Shastra, I should not do. What is prescribed, I should do. This much I should remember. Now that part is elaborated. Eta soma sadgamaya, tamasoma jyotirgamaya, mrityorma amritam gamaya. These are the mantrartha shabd. Padartho vakyarthas tat phalam cha iti trayam uchyate. These three things are said through mantrartha, padartha. Each pada is indicated. Meaning of the mantra means meaning of every pada, every word of that mantra. Meaning of the whole sentence. And the phalam, the result of this. All three things are said by the mantrartha. Phalam means tatparya. Tatparya. What is the tatparya? What is the essential teaching behind? Bhashya. Mantranam artha stirohito bhavati swayameva vyachashte brahmanam mantrartham. So now these mantras, they have hidden meaning, because from dictionary what it seems, asatoma sadgamaya. So from asat you take me to sat. But he says no, there is hidden meanings. Therefore swayameva vyachaste. Swayameva means Shruti herself, Veda itself, themselves they are saying asatoma sadgamaya means mrityorma amritam gamaya. In this way. समंत्रो यदाह यदुक्तवान को अस्य अर्थ इत्युच्यते. समंत्रो यदाह, that mantra is said. Yaduktavan ko asya artha. What is the meaning of that? Ityuchyate. Asatoma sadgamaya iti. So this mantra which is given here, aha means uktavan. Asya ko artha, what is the meaning of this mantra? That is given. See, now the explanation begins. Mrutyurva asat स्वाभाविक कर्म विज्ञाने मृत्यु उच्यते. What is mrityu? Swabhavika karma. This is on 145, second line. Swabhavika karma and swabhavika vijnanam means upasana. Upasana means everything, whatever chintanam we do is called upasanam here. If we don't do shastriya upasanam, laukika chintanam, then vijnanam means chintan, just thinking. Somebody is fascinating some ideas whole day, let us say, that is their upasanam only. Then, because it is swabhavika means avidyaka, then it is called mrityu, because I am deeply rooted in avidya. Ashastriya. Asat atyanta adobhava hetutvat. Why it is called asat? Mrityu is asat because it is atyanta adobhava. It is extremely low, extremely inferior. So from asat, I have to go to sat. Means from living a life where I don't follow scriptural injunctions to living a life where I actually follow scriptural injunctions, and those injunctions which will lift me. That is given. Sat amritam. Sat means shastriya karma vijnane. Karma cha vijnanam cha iti karma vijnane. Shastriya karma and shastriya vijnanam. Vijnanam means chintanam. Thinking. Dwelling on something, whatever it is, whether it is prescribed by Vedas or Purana, etc. also, whatever is Shastriya. Then it is Amarana Hetutvat Amritam. Then it is not going to lead me to Mrityu. So I will, when I do any Shastriya thing, I will give up my identification with individuality and I am going to expand. to whatever great extent, all the way up to Hiranyagarbha, Brahma, I can become. So letting go, the whole idea here is letting go of this idea that I am this body, I am this person. Whatever works, you do. In other words, Shastriya Karma and Shastriya Upasana has this as their main objective. That I am this body, this idea, you have to reduce. This is given in the Tippani. 4 number Tippani. अमरण हेतुत्वादि तयोर आध्यात्मिक परिच्छेद अभिमान त्यागेन देव भावापत्ति हेतुतया शास्त्रीय कर्म एंड शास्त्रीय विज्ञानम, their objective is आध्यात्मिक परिच्छेद अभिमान त्याग. I give up this notion. So that is why whatever duties are given, even in the household, etc., is for this purpose only. Whatever duties are there in the ashram are also for this purpose. And whatever chintanam we are supposed to do, you have to do this chintanam. It will slowly take me away from I am this deha. And if my attention is on the punya, obviously I have to know I am not this body. Because that punya I am not going to get hereafter only. So I am not this, therefore I know it and I am still doing such punya karma. Tasmat asato mam karmano jnanacha sat shastriya karma vijnane gamaya. Therefore asato ma means mam, karmano jnanacha, asat from asat karma, from asat jnanam, take me to shastriya karma vijnane gamaya. Deva bhava sadhana atma bhavam apadaya ityartha. Shastriya karma vijnanam is what? Deva bhava sadhana. And that Deva bhava sadhanam, that Deva bhava will come in the Atma bhava. So Deva bhava sadhana Atma bhavam. Deva bhava sadhanam is there in Shastriya karma vijnana. So when I do Vedic rituals, etc., or what is given in Purana, japa, simplest of that is japa. Another is dhyana. Any other austerity like tapas, denying the pleasures, any denial of things which are available, like Ekadashi Vratam is there, so much food is there, you say, I will restrict myself, I will limit myself. Like that, whatever you do, it is going to take you higher. And these long rituals where you sit for long time, or like when you do Aarti 1.5 hours long, so it puts more and more discipline so that Deha bhava is cut down, I increase my punya. Tatra vakyartham aha amritam ma kuru iti eva etadaha. Amritam ma means mam kuru, make me amrita. Tatha tamaso ma jyotirgamaya iti. मृत्युर्वै तमः सर्वं हि अज्ञानम आवरणात्मकत्वात् तमः. अज्ञानम आवरणात्मकत्वात् तमः. तदेव च मरण हेतुत्वात् मृत्यु. That is मरण हेतु. Tika says लौकिकम तमो व्यावर्तयति. It is, we are not talking of laukika tama, this darkness. We are talking about Ajnana avarana, the ignorance which is in the form of a veiling, covering. Purvokta padena vyakhyatam tamo grihyate. So that tamaha, which is mrityu, Ajnana rupa avaranam, vaiparitye hetumaha prakashatmakatvat iti. So the immortality is here in the form of prakasha. ज्योति ही अमृतम पूर्वोक्त विपरीतम दैवम स्वरूपम. पूर्वोक्त means तमः. Amritam is Jyoti and Tamaha is Mrityu, which is Viparita. So opposite of that Mrityu is this Amritam, which is Daiva Swarupam. I attain the Devata Bhava. Tika Jnanam Tena Sadhyam iti yavad. Because Jnanam is Sadhyam through this Prakasha, Prakashatmakatvam. That is given further. Prakashatmakatvat Jnanam Jyotihi. Jnanam is Prakashatmakatva because Jnanam is Sadhyam through this Jyotihi, means Shastriya Karma. Performance of Shastriya Karma, if you do, knowledge will come. Even Brahmatma Ekatva Jnanam will come through that. Here the topic is of Upasana. But that Brahmatma Ekatva Jnanam also gradually through Parampara I will get it. So from there we will see tomorrow from Prakashatmakatva. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.